Very futuristic.
Our grandchildren will enjoy seeing that.
It's just big wow.
China is living in a different world.
I think the trend will still continue to grow. I think it's a large enough market.
So now, what else could wow global visitors in China? Tech Tour. Recently, growing numbers of foreigners travel to China not just for its historic spots, but to see the future.
You just got your drone delivery.
Yes.
For the first time.
Yeah, for the first time, yes. I was super happy. Like, it's really nice experience to do it, and it's like China is living in a different world.
Yeah, I think it's really good. We got an ice cream served by a robot, and we're seeing the pizzas delivered by drone. It's pretty cool.
At one flagship tech retail hub, Inno 100, foreign visitors could try various tech gadgets.
Wow, it's so fascinating. We came to Shenzhen to see all your innovation, and now we can live it. It's not only seeing it, we can live it here. That this would help in going up
So this
on the mountain. It's perfect in our country.
Wow.
In terms of the technology, it's very advanced, and I appreciate how they've designed the rooms to showcase the technology and allow for us to interact with it. It's very futuristic. There's so much. I was over at the other store over there as well, and I was playing with some of the instruments. I'm a musician myself. I also work remotely, so I'm sitting on my desk all the time, so I thought I would come over and try some of these massages, which felt really good.
And these spots are also part of a tech-themed tour launched by local Shenzhen travel agencies.
这个科技线路是非常火爆。
Our tech-themed tours are flying off the shelves. We kick off the itinerary at this showroom, where visitors get to test drone food delivery and self-driving taxis. Plenty of foreign travelers come to Shenzhen solely for this one-of-a-kind tech excursion.
Since February this year, our store has seen a sharp uptick in foreign visitors. Amid the summer peak season, we welcome 100 to 200 international tourists daily, pushing foot traffic to record highs. Visitors are most drawn to hands-on demos of 3D printers and exoskeleton robots.
Citing US tech outlet Rest of World, tourists will pay up to $9,000 for in-depth tours of China's tech spots. Since 2023, a Shanghai bespoke travel firm GI Open has run group tech tours. Here, their guide is leading visitors to experience new energy vehicles and robots.
Really cool cars, really advanced cars. In America, you only really see Teslas on the road, so it's cool seeing all these different cars and seeing how the seats move and all the different technology in the cars. So it was very different from what I see back home, much more advanced.
We had our robotic taxi tour,
So it was great.
the driverless taxi, so that's unique. We can't get that at home.
So experiences we've had today we don't have in Australia.
And the firm has served roughly 1,500 overseas tourists in the past year, with total clients projected to hit around 2,000 by late 2026.
China is a huge jaw dropper for them. You have all these features. So for them, it's like, wow. It's just big wow. During busy time, is like we have clients every day.
At the beginning, we were focusing on welcoming foreign customers to China. Later on, we focused more and more on business and technology. So that was a development, I would say. It was both from the customer side, so there were more and more demands for the tech tour. Our growth has been quite surprising growth. We have increased our revenue by 5 times between 2024 to 2025 and 2025 to 2026. Every year we're growing about 3 to 5 times our revenue.
With futuristic tech tours emerging as China's new calling card, major online travel giants including Flicky and Alibaba are poised to venture into tech tourism. China's tech-themed inbound tourism is set to capture a larger market share.